Cadence, can you say thank you, Mama? Brindley says thank you. Brindley likes to play with the drawers and play with all the stuff in them, in the cabinets. It's a big sacrifice, girls. I don't have much cabinet space in this kitchen. Say thank you, Mama. Well, what is that? Oh, are you gonna make me something to eat? Oh, Brindley's taking a big drink. You can do it. You can open it. Try again, try again. Right here. Try that side. Pull right there. You can do it. Here, take it to Brindley. See, Brindley can open it. Brindley, open it. I think you can do it. Try again. I'm just going to put it up. Brindley, you going to make some tea? You going to make some tea, Brindley? Yeah, pour it in the bowl. Good job. Cadence. Tell everybody you said bye-bye. Said we're going to be playing in the cabinet the rest of the afternoon. Bye.